all friends, very welcome in this video. This video is our fourth video on the solar energy technology. So I hope you all doing very well in your work, in your study, or in your day-to-day life. So, welcome again in the solar energy technology. We are facing again challenge due to wired system of microphones. All friends donate us so that we can afford the proper communication system for our study, for our knowledge transformation. You can donate on the official WhatsApp number . So very welcome in the video. Our topic is solar energy technology. By Teal General Research Laboratory. So today we are discuss about the component of solar plant. So basically there is three types of solar plant. First one is on-grid solar power plant. Another second one is off-grid solar power plant. And third one is hybrid solar power plant. So what is hybrid? Hybrid is nothing but the combination of these two systems, that is on-grid solar power plant and off-grid solar power plant. And we can discuss about the on-grid solar power plant. So if I consider, we need to divide this whiteboard into two sections, that is section A, section B, and we can say section A and section B. If I discuss about the on-grid solar power plant, then we can imagine the words on-grid. So what is on-grid? On-grid is nothing but the system in which we are working, we are operate our loads with the help of two parameters. First one is our utility board, and another one is our solar power. We can say here is a load sharing. Here is a load sharing. When, as we know, our effective hours, we can say only 4 to 5 hours is our in a on-grid solar power plant. Only effective hours is 4 to 5 hours. Only 4 to 5 hours. So as we know, human required 24/7 electric power. So our solar system not able to provide us with the help of purely solar power near about 24 by 7. It is not possible because as we know the effective hours of the generation is only and only 4 to 5 hours. So that's why. Some grateful scientist or engineer invent the system that is on-grid solar power plant system. So basically there is any net meter concept. So what is net meter? Net meter is nothing but the meter which can derive the power from the power grid when our solar system cannot work, because as we know our solar generation is only 4 to 5 hours. So what about remaining 20 to 21 hours? So with the help of solar we cannot run our load on the solar. So that's why. So here we need bidirectional meter, that is on-grid meter. We can say on-grid meter, that is on-grid meter, on-grid energy meter, or you can say bidirectional meter, bidirectional meter, bidirectional meter. So these are the same name. You can say also on-grid energy meter or bidirectional meter. This is the same, only the name difference, nothing another issue. So if I discuss about the on-grid solar power plant, the huge advantage of this plant is we can run our load with the help of solar as well our utility board. So definitely this is an efficient system because there is no any battery system. If I consider a battery system, as we know the life of average, the average life of battery is maximum 4 to 5 years, not more than. So also the issue of maintenance, routine maintenance, battery required routine maintenance. So that's why our battery system getting too much costly, as well as it requires heavy maintenance. So that's why. So we are preferred generally where is any continuous power supply. So generally we are preferred on-grid solar power system because due to its own advantage. Also here we are discuss about what is the disadvantage of the on-grid solar power plant. So actually lot of dust on this duster, artificial duster. We have also proper duster, but there is an issue of dust, so that's why we will manage. I think so we need some water because can I pause some little bit duration for the water? We need water. So we are back. We are back with water. So actually really we need any wireless microphone system, but due to some financial issue we cannot able to purchase the wireless microphone system. You should help us by donating some money. You can donate for our grateful work. So actually, as I previously mentioned, we are not working for any profit. So that's why we are totally working for the purely base as a no any financial profit, because we are a responsible human. So that's why we are accept our responsibility against our society or our planet. So that's why. So if I consider what is the disadvantage of on-grid solar system, we will mention on the whiteboard. On-grid solar power plant. Solar power plant. I think so there is any disadvantage of on-grid solar power plant. If I consider what is my first disadvantage of the on-grid solar power plant, so the first and too much important disadvantage is we cannot run or operate our load under utility power cut. Utility power cut means for our solar operation we need utility power supply. Without utility power supply we cannot operate or run our load. If solar power is also present but there is no any utility board supply, so our on-grid solar power plant cannot be worked, because it's depend on the bidirectional meter, and bidirectional meter cannot work without utility board supply. So this is the any huge disadvantage in the solar on-grid solar power plant or system. Also, what can another disadvantage? I think so there is no any another disadvantage, because the huge disadvantage in the on-grid solar power system is this: we cannot run or operate our load under utility power cut. So that's why we need utility power for our solar operation as well as normal operation. So definitely we need solar utility, utility board supply. So that's why I think so. Can I mention our official? Can I mention our official number for the donation? Donate the donate to the society responsibility or work. Official transaction number is official transaction number is you can all friends please rate me in the form of 0 to 10 scale. So if you rate me near about 1 2 to 5, then my teaching performance is very good. If you put your rating scale on the 10, so if you mark 0 to 10, so if you mark 10, then this scale will indicate my teaching approach or my teaching communication style is too much poor for you. So you should rate me in the form of 1 or 2, or you can 10 also or 5 also. So I think so we can show you the charge controller. Here is a charge controller. You can see there is a solar charge controller. Here is also a USB port, and also there is a display for the voltage level. So this charge controller rated voltage consists of 12 volt or 24 volt. Rated current is 10 amps. Maximum power voltage is 50 volt. Maximum PV photovoltaic input power is 130 watt. We can say 12 volt 260 watt. Within a 260 watt 24 volt, the charge controller can be provide output maximum. What is output? Output is 12 volt or 24 volt. So this is any charge controller. We can use this charge controller in the off-grid power solar power system. I think so. I should check the duration of this video. Actually, yes, 19.56. So we should stop here by writing our official e-transaction number, and you can donate as per your choice. The country code is 91 and the contact number is 8390614418. So this is any official e-transaction number. You can pay on 8390614418. So it's all about the on-grid solar power plant. So in short, we can remind all our contents today's lecture. Actually, this video lecture is fourth number lecture. So if I discuss about the on-grid solar power plant, then what component consists in a on-grid solar power plant? First one is PV module, another one is inverter. We should write on the blackboard. Not blackboard, is it? It is any whiteboard. The first one is photovoltaic solar module. Generally, this available between 330 to 650 watt, but this power is DC power. And another one is solar inverter, solar on grid, because inverter have its variety. Solar on grid inverter between available in the market between 1 kW to near about 126 kW or beyond or in megawatt. Okay, so third number is any ACDB or DCDB. ACDB and DCDB. Fourth one is lightning arrestor. Fifth one is earth electrode. Sixth one is MS or SS structure. What is MS or SS? So MS is nothing but the mild steel or SS is nothing but the stainless steel. So this quality of structure generally we use in the fabrication of solar rooftop structure. Not a rooftop, generally also this structure quality also we are using also in a solar big scale utility scale power plant. So I think so there is another component, that is we can say right cables, DC cables and connectors. So all friends, please rate me between 1 1 to 10. So suppose this is 5, this is 1 and this is 10. Any good? Excellence and very poor. So I request to all friends or all viewers, you are watching this lecture or video content on the solar energy technology. Please rate me between the 1 to 10 scale. If you rate me between 5 to 10, then if you rate me 10 in the comment section, then my teaching performance is very poor. If you rate me 10, if you give me the rating of 1, then this one shows I am capable to transferring our solar energy technology knowledge very efficiently and very in a simple manner. So thanks for watching this lecture number 4. So all friends, enjoy your day. We will meet in a next session very soon. Thanks a lot.